Jasper. You already know what it is, man. Um, 1 year ago I built this. It's a box for car. I named it. It's a him. His name is Jackie Adams, and I made the logo of it. JA means Jackie Adams. And I'm gonna show you a tour of him for a few minutes. This is the window, and this is the car key right here. You can see inside it. See you guys? Yeah, and here's the back. Also has the logo in these right here. The windows. You can see right there, you guys. That's the front. And here's the mirrors here. And this is the gas thing where you put your gas. Hold on, you guys. Okay, I got it. On the top it says F, that means filled, and E means empty. Cool, ain't it? Okay. Here's are the wheels. I built this car 1 year ago, and then yesterday I restored the colors so that you guys can see it better, and the other people. And these are the headlights, too. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys like my box for car. So peace out.